we are going to make the changes. We will add a paint there. Let's make the structure. Add another paint. We have to take the designs, explore the shapes here. We will use another designs. Again we will add a shape there. So that's a shape. We will use an eraser tool. Now we will make the structure here. Thank you for watching.